Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video, as well as a few cards that I made over the last couple of days. So let's get started. So first of all, from Tuesday morning, I picked up this really cute paper pad. It's called Girl Squad. It was marked down, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. And of course, I didn't cut it open, but this is what it looks like. I thought it was just some pretty paper, especially since it was marked down. So that's Girl Squad by Pebbles. And then from Target, I actually picked up these Alphas and Numbers by American Crafts. It's 169 piece, and it's silver foam stickers, and I thought these were pretty good. The price was not exactly the cheapest, but I like the font and how small they are. From online, from Only One Life Creations, and that's the card there. On Life Creations, I picked up this Oriental Garden paper pad by Stampera. It's 8x8. I saw Gigi, who is Agape for Gigi, on here on YouTube, and she showed this. She had it in the 12x12, I believe. And I thought, I have to have that paper. It is gorgeous. And so I was able to pick up the 8x8. I would have liked the 12x12 too, but the 8x8 will do me fine for card making. But just some stunning images here. Just pretty paper. I'm so glad I found it. And some cut aparts, some circles, and just really pretty images. So that's by Stampera Oriental Garden. And then I went to Michael's to try to find some additional Christmas clearance items. I ended up finding these really cute, chunky clothespins. They were marked down, and I think they were really cute with some kind of ephemera glue to them. So I picked these up. And then I also was able to find these really cute Christmas charms that already has Merry, Peace, Snow, Love, and Joy. I think these will be awesome for next year's Christmas cards. So I was able to pick up 2 of those. And then they had some beads, and I had hauled these before. These green and red, and then these really cute peppermint, and these pearls. So these can be used all year long. But my biggest score, I believe, was this paper. It's Christmas paper by Recollection, and it's metal foil. It's 8.5 by 11, and you get silver and gold. And so it's 20 sheets, but this was $1.80, so that's not bad. So I got a couple of those, and I was able to use some of my dies to cut out using this paper. And look at these frames; they're so pretty. And you don't have to use these just as Christmas time, but just really pretty, So I was happy to be able to use that for frame dies. And online I purchased these shop ticket holders. I saw these on a YouTube channel. It's Craft Purge, and she showed these one time, and I purchased them, and I love them. And they are not opening up here. Let's see. So this is what I store my dies in. They're really thick. I mean, there was one that was bent. That's not nice. But anyway, they fit my dies perfectly, and these envelopes are very sturdy. And I don't know if that one, I'll get that bit out of it, but we'll see. But this is gonna last me for a while. It's 50 in here. The last pack I used, I think I have 2 left, and I needed more, and I imagine that I won't need any more after that. And then, let's see, I want to share with you a $5 off on Simon Says stamp, and there's the code if you want to use that. And then I want to share with you a couple of cards that I've made. So these are really simple cards that I've made here today. This one I made for a coworker, and it says "Happy Birthday from all of us." It's from our unit, and he's a walker, and he wears these white shoes with his suit when he goes on his walk. So I thought this would be perfect. And he also has traveled the world, so I thought this was a nice personal card for him. And then I made a couple of thank you cards for some birthday love that I received. And this is a slimline card. And this paper is from some paper that Crafty Bean gifted me. And I just love this paper. And then I just used a little tag that I had. And I thought this slimline card turned out really nice. I have that cutter by Tim Holtz, the I can't think what it's called, that kind of gives you that chunky look on the edge of the paper, so I thought that turned out good. And then here's another little simple, super simple thank you card. Once again, I used some paper that Tina Bean gifted me, and this I thought this was real cute and simple. I used some twine that I got from Little Birdie and on here, and once again it's a Deca paper cutter, and I used it on this card too. And then of course I have my stamp that I put on all my cards, and that's the second card. And then this card, I haven't finished the inside on. This is another card that I'm gonna send out, and this is a sticker from Little Birdie. And I'm not sure this paper I'm not sure about this paper, if this was part of the paper that I received. But those are my cards. Like I said, super simple thank you cards that I wanted to send out. Let's say hello. And then the birthday card for my coworkers. So let me know what you think below. Also, I have some de-stash envelopes going on right now. If you want to look at check out my channel for those. There's still several available. If you mention on your email that you send me that you saw this video and were offered a $5 off, I'm offering $5 off. They're normally were $27. So if you head over there and purchase one today and indicate that you saw it on this video, somebody mention it on this video, take $5 off, and then there'll be $22. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.